Hey guys, we are here in Napoli, Italy, and we're on a quest to savor some of the best pizzas in the birthplace of pizza.
What makes a good pizza and what types of pizza can we find here in Naples? Let's get ready to fill our tummies together.
Neapolitan pizza might be the world's favorite pizza, maybe even the most famous amongst all pizzas. But here in Naples, pizza comes in more than one irresistible form. There's Pizza Fritta, there's Pizza Portafoglio. These pizzas are street-born, served to the masses and just as tasty. Stick around to the end because you're about to learn about pizzas like never before.
It's pizza time!
Pizza as we know it today started here in Naples in the 18th century. Back then, it was a poor people's meal where they put tomatoes on flatbread and it was not considered a kitchen recipe. Fast forward to today, pizza is such a huge part of Italian culture. We are now heading to our first pizza spot, 50 Kalo. We are so excited for this because 50 Kalo is one of the spots listed on the Michelin guide.
I'm so hungry. Let's fill our tummies with Neapolitan pizza. Let's go! Are we the first people in the restaurant?
I think we might be. It's okay.
We're here at 12 o'clock, which is when the restaurant actually opens, and immediately afterwards there are so many people that comes in. I'm so excited for this pizza from 50 Kalo. Very high expectations for this.
Can we get one of the frittatina?
One supli.
Supli? And one margarita.
What to share?
Yeah, one to share.
If you don't already know yet, pizza is not meant to be shared in Italy. But we have good reasons for that.
Usually here in Italy, people get one pizza each. But because we are planning to head to 3 different places to eat, we had to decide between getting one each or one to share.
So this is us suffering the consequences of our decision. More on that later. Here's the supli and frittatina that we have ordered.
Look at how cheesy this is. There's peas, there's like cheese and a little bit of minced meat. I'm actually really loving this already. Oh, it's so heavenly. This is my first bite of Italy. It's just beautiful.
I feel like you would never imagine how good a cheese ball can get because the filling, the cheese tastes so smoky. It's not just cheese, there's some form of flavor beyond the cheese inside. And it's just perfectly fried and it doesn't feel too unhealthy, it doesn't feel too oily. It's just super delicious.
The cheese is so fresh. This is the kind of cheese that after you eat many times, you won't get tired of it.
5 minutes later.
The pizza was split into half.
I think this is the most unexpected thing that's happened.
I think it's really tasty though. I like how it's burnt on the crust like this. And there's like a small little basil and they have extra virgin olive oil. I wasn't expecting it. I was expecting like one whole pizza for ourselves.
Let's see if you have the skills to cut it.
That's a 10.
It's so soft, it's so cheesy. And you can see like the olive oil. There's just so much juice in there and I'm really loving it already.
This might be the best pizza I've ever had in my life so far. The dough is very light. I thought that one pizza would be too much for the both of us, but because of how light the dough is, I think like we can finish this whole pizza in like a minute or so. It's not that filling at all. It is very apparent that the tomato sauce is fresh and not one of those canned ones because of how fresh and light it is.
As you saw, we just had the best pizza at 50 Kalo, but it came half-half. It was such a funny experience because we had to muster up our courage to order a pizza to share, which is a huge social faux pas here in Italy. And when we got it, the pizza was actually split into half for us. When it came, we were just shocked. We didn't even know what to say because the pizza was split into half, like a semicircle each. It was so funny. I never had a pizza cut into half this way before. I thought it would be a pizza in the middle and we'll be taking slices from a shared plate, but it turns out we were given a plate each.
So what defines a good Neapolitan pizza? There's this governing association in Italy called the True Neapolitan Pizza Association, which I'll have the Italian words right below here, that governs a few rules for what Neapolitan pizza should look like. Number one, the Neapolitan pizza has to be hand kneaded, and that takes a true Italian chef, a very experienced Italian chef, to be able to hand knead it into a perfect round circle. And number two, it has to be baked in a wood-fired dome oven. For how long? That depends on the pizza master. Number three, the diameter of the pizza has to be 35 centimeters at most, or if not, the center of the pizza has to be at most 1/3 of a centimeter. How they achieve that, I have no idea, and I think that's something that sometimes still blows a little bit of my mind. Enough of all the fun facts about pizza, let's now go to the second pizza place.
Right now, we're at our second location to get our second pizza of the day. We actually walked over an hour to get to this location and to digest our first pizza. We were thinking that it was going to be boring to show 3 different classic and regular pizzas in this video. So right now, we're going to get a very special pizza. It's called Pizza Fritta. Let's show you how it looks like.
Fresh off the fryer. Oh, it's so big. It's like bigger than my face. Incredible. Look at all the steam that's coming out. I'm going to take the first bite. It's going to be the crust part. Oh. I never knew pizzas could be fried like this. I couldn't get to the middle of it, but it tastes so good.
Aaron took 3 bites and he hasn't gotten to the fillings yet. Oh, hot. This pizza shop sells many different flavors of fried pizza or pizza fritta. The one that we got has ricotta, mozzarella, tomato, basil, and prosciutto. I can't wait to try all the flavors. Look at this. The fried pizza is basically a huge calzone that is fried, but unlike calzone, which is very heavy, this is very fluffy, airy and light. I love this. It's basically a bunch of fried dough, fried in such a perfect way. Something very interesting is that there's so much more cheese than tomato as compared to the regular pizza that you saw earlier. This is usually a street food. People usually eat it while standing, or they will eat it while they're walking around town.
This pizza fritta is kind of like bending the rules for what a traditional pizza should look like, but therein lies the fact that there are so many different variants of pizza that we have come across. There's the Sicilian style pizza, which is called the sfincione, which is square-shaped pizza with a very thick dough, and there's the Rome style pizza, which is pizza alla pala, which is pizza on the slice. Then there is the Torino style, which is called the pizza al padellino, which is pizza on the pan. There's a New York style pizza, which is white thin crust, and Chicago style, which is deep dish, and here in Naples, there's this Pizza Fritta. And I'm pretty sure it's better than Domino's or Pizza Hut pizza. Now we are going to go to our third location, which sells what? Pizza Portafoglio? Let's go.
Yeah, you have to say it like an Italian. Pizza Portafoglio.
Pizza Portafoglio.
Okay, we're gonna offend people.
In Napoli, Maradona isn't just a legend. He's a face on the wall, a presence in the air. And while we're walking towards the next pizza shop, we pass dozens of pizzerias, each with their own charm. Among them all, one stands above the rest. Pizzeria di Michele. But I don't think they serve what we want, which is our next Napoli-born pizza.
Now we're here at our third stop and we're going to try another special pizza, Pizza Portafoglio. Let's hope that they are open and they have pizza for us. We got it. Aaron actually found this shop. This shop is on this random street out of nowhere. It looks like we're in the middle of a random neighborhood. There is no other food stalls here. There is like a few bag stalls, and then it's just other people's houses. You can see clothes hanging all around, and randomly out of nowhere there is this pizza shop, and it's supposed to be highly rated, so I'm so excited for this. This is the Pizza Portafoglio. Pizza Portafoglio roughly translates to pizza wallet. And as you can see, this is a normal pizza but folded 2 times into this quadrant shape.
Pizza Portafoglio is very small. You can eat while you go, and it's very convenient as well. And people eat it here as a street food. So I'm gonna take a first bite of this freshly baked pizza. Like all the other pizzas I've eaten today, this one is like crispy on the outside, very very delicious. And I think one really interesting thing that like differentiates Pizza Portafoglio with other kinds of pizza is that like instead of eating it from the middle, from the inside, you're actually eating it from the crust. So it's like a different experience. You're eating the crust first. You're eating the part that is most crispy first.
I know this pizza is supposed to be easier and more convenient to eat, but I have no idea how to eat this. This is like not a normal pizza to me. First of all, I have to bite 2 pieces or 2 layers of pizza at the same time, and then in between these 2 layers and these 2 layers there is a piece of paper, as you can see. So am I supposed to eat around it, or am I supposed to, I don't know, how else can I eat it?
Pizza with fresh tomato, absolutely incredible. And you can just carry it and go and put it in your pocket. I can hide my pizza inside here.
By just holding the pizza, I'm actually realizing how much dough I'm eating at one go. And today, this is our 3rd pizza. This is so heavy. That was an amazing day of pizzas. It's such a weird thing to be here in Italy where pizza is so common. You can eat it anywhere, everywhere, while you are seated, while you're walking or wherever. When back in Singapore, where we are from, pizza is like a special occasions kind of thing. We only eat it when like there's a birthday celebration or like our bosses want to reward us for our hard work. Yeah, it's crazy. It's just a dream come true to be here to eat pizza from where pizza was born.
Yeah, well, we have to redeem ourselves. We still need to eat the pie of pizza, and we'll do that tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good afternoon. It's a brand new day today and we're going to try to redeem ourselves from not having the full pizza that we were supposed to have yesterday. And there's a pizza shop that's around the corner from here and I hope they don't close by the time that we arrive.
So we're here trying to get pizza at 4 PM, which is ridiculous in Italy because most of the pizza shops that we wanted to go to are closed. But there is one that is open, which is the one that we are at right now. However, there is no one else at this pizza shop and it feels like we are just inconveniencing the whole shop. The chefs probably have to like begin making their pizza, heat up their oven. We are the ridiculous customers because we are here 10 minutes before they close.
Food is here finally and we're going to tuck in because there isn't a lot of time before they close.
The pizza looks amazing. We got a margherita and a Naples pizza. The Naples pizza is really interesting because other than garlic, there is anchovies on it. Never had anchovies on a pizza before. It's really interesting. The fish taste is actually quite strong, but I love it.
I got the traditional classic margherita pizza. I love how this burn mark looks like. It's like super burnt, but I think it's very carcinogenic with the burns. So I'm just going to extract like all the burnt part. And look at the front of this pizza. It's really so thin. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess of myself. So delicious, so good. The pizza actually come really fast, so I think like the pizza oven must have already been heated up way before we arrived. Now we're just going to tuck in and I'll see you after our meal. After 2 days of savoring pizza here in Italy, here's what we observe about people eating pizza here in terms of their etiquettes. Number 1, a lot of the pizzas here come in round shape. So this means that they have to provide fork as well as knives for people to slice it up into smaller pieces. But we also see a lot of people using their hands to eat it afterwards. Number 2, instead of drinking soda with pizza, a lot of people here drink wine and water together with pizza. Number 3, everyone here is using the freshest ingredients to create their pizza. It's almost like an art in terms of the texture, in terms of the taste, in terms of how the pizza looks like. It has like this kind of delicate balance that like makes these pizzas so tantalizing, so appealing to me. And that's what I love about Neapolitan pizza here in Italy. So that's it for our video here in Napoli. We have savored so many different pizzas and we're just getting started.
My favorite one was definitely the first one that we had at 50 Kalo, even though we had half a pizza each.
I think my favorite was the fried pizza. And also, we have not seen a pizza with pineapple here.
I guess that is it. We'll see you in our next video where we'll explore more of Italy. See ya!